So Apeman created a action sports camera for the bicyclists. In this case, it's all about safety. So what you see here is you see three parts. You see a rear camera, a rear casing, a front mounting casing, and then an actual camera. So they all kind of go together. So you see the blinking right here? This basically shows when people are going downhill. This is a rear mounted encasing. As you're going downhill, it knows your speed and it knows you're going downhill, so it starts blinking. So anybody who's behind you knows that you're slowing down or you're going downhill. And you also see these red lights right here. This is basically red light that guides at night when you're riding, so you know exactly what you're seeing and you know your spacing as you're riding as well. So that's just the rear cam itself. With that comes the app that built. You can turn this way. You'll see. That's the actual app that you see that you mount your phone to. So it basically tethers to your phone wirelessly, of course. And you see on here, you can see your altitude. You can read your altitude. And you can read your speed, how fast you're going as well. So it's all GPS wired up, which is great. So that's the rear view camera, and then you go to the front. The front camera mounts obviously to your handlebar, and you got obviously the regular headlight, which everybody has, and you got the same features where if you have the light features, so you know again where you're riding, and so you actually. It's all about the safety elements, right? So it's all about what can we do to make the product more safe and make riders basically use technology. So it's sports tech, is what we might call it that. And it's a new product. So we're not out in the market yet, but we should be out in the next 4 to 6 weeks.